Hello, it's Family Driver, welcome to another video. Today I'm getting rid of my lip spoiler and replacing it with a CS style carbon spoiler from AutoID. I can't wait, it will look very good with the carbon diffuser I already installed on my car, so I think this will completely transform the back of the car, give it the aggression which I always wanted, without going over the top. So let's jump into it now.
First step, use fishing line to cut the adhesive under the spoiler. I'm going to speed it up because it took me about 5 minutes to complete this step. Step 2. Pull the spoiler off. Just do it gently, don't bend it too much. Step 3. Clean the area really well. I can guarantee you there will be plenty of dirt which gathered under the spoiler over the time. Next step is to remove the adhesive. I'm using pry tool to do that, however you will not be able to remove it completely. You're only taking the squishy top part, however the bottom part will stay on your paint. And another wipe down before we progress to the next step. Now I'm going to use caramel wheel. Basically this is a rubber wheel which spins very quickly and pulls all the adhesive away from the lacquer. It is a bit scary to use it at first, but once you understand how it works and how to use it, it actually works really well and it's very efficient. I ordered it from Amazon for $4.99 including deliveries. Once you figure out a good technique, it really goes really fast. I'm going over it last time to pick up all the remaining adhesive. before treating it with tar remover. As you can see, this worked really well and removed the remaining bits of glue.
So this is the back of my BMW M2 without any spoiler. Really, I'm so glad I got this caramel wheel for $4.99 from Amazon. Without that, I doubt I would be able to actually take off all of that adhesive because it was stuck so hard. But now look, it's just beautiful. It's completely clean. Obviously that line will be covered by a new CS carbon spoiler. I don't know what it is actually. It's not, probably can be cleaned, but I'm not too bothered. Like I said, it's going to be covered because the new spoiler is slightly wider, so can't wait to do it now.
So, time to stick it on. I completely covered the bottom of the spoiler with the double-sided Gorilla Tape. I trust this tape, I used it for years, so I know it works really well and it will work for this spoiler as well. I used some masking tape to position it correctly to make the process easier because I didn't have anyone to help me. Next, I spent about 10 minutes pushing it to the boot in different places, just to make sure it sticks. And voila, the spoiler is on, and I think it looks great. I hope you found this video interesting. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. Do widzenia.